So I'll show you now in research that Fish and I are developing since I began my post-graduation course at INC. The main goal of our work is to show the typical daily cycle of the short radiation under dry and raining conditions during the CHUVA experiments at 2011 and 2012. When I say shortwave radiation, I mean solar radiation. So we have the data set from CHUVA. We use the following variables: shortwave radiation incoming and reflected shortwave radiation incoming from the sun and reflected by the surface, air temperature, relative humidity, air pressure at station level, precipitation, wind speed, and direction. All these variables have temporal resolution of 60 minutes. That is, they are average of 1 hour. The period we have analyzed is from November 7th up to December 50 watts per square meter, whilst for frontal cases we have maximum values of the order of 50 watts per square meter. Slight and isolated decreases of shortwave radiation along the diurnal cycle for dry cases probably are due to the presence of non-precipitation cumulus clouds. The amplitude of incoming and reflected components during non-frontal convective cases may be strongly affected whether there was cloudless geographic location of Santa Maria, higher latitude than Vale do Paraíba. That's it.
Thanks, Thomas, for this observational presentation about the surface radiation budget. Is any question for Thomas?
Like, if you look at the latest flux, yes. 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 But for this work, we just considered the shortwave radiation. This is for further studies. No, we are just analyzing the components of radiation. That's a preliminary analysis. It's not the conclusion.
May I complete his answer? So the answer is no, like he said. But for Paraíba's Valley, the only surface turbulent flux that we had is that point. But it's a good idea to compare with satellite estimates. But for Santa Maria, there are more data available from like Otávio Azevedo. He has his own network about surface flux, so we can compare with them, and so we will have a spatial variation of the surface fluxes much better than we may have for Paraíba's Valley. So That's a good point to thinking about in the future. But for Paraíba, we have only this point, and for Santa Maria, we have more. Okay. Good idea.
Just one suggestion. When you give a look to the latent flux, compare with the DPR from the ray, the very short profile, you see how the latent flux can modulate the different kinds of
Okay, appreciate it.
Good suggestion also. Any other question? Okay, we thank Thomas again.